welcome back to the Astra portal. Have you ever wondered how the messages from the divine, how the wisdom of the spirit guides can reach you? You are not just a body of skin and bone. You are a sacred antenna, a conduit for the frequencies of the universe. Tonight, I'm going to show you how to stop listening to the white noise of the mind and how to connect to your own sacred channel, because the wisdom is already speaking within you. The first step to channeling is not reaching out, but going in. Most people fail to hear the guides because their own internal dialogue is too loud. You must create a void, a silent space between your thoughts. Imagine your mind as a calm, dark lake. Any thought that arises is just a ripple on the surface. Let it fade. When the lake is perfectly still, the reflection of the divine can finally appear. Now, visualize a beam of pure violet light descending from the infinite and touching the top of your head. This is your crown chakra, your spiritual receiver. Feel it opening like a lotus flower under the sun. As you breathe, feel this light flowing down your spine, grounding you into the earth while your spirit remains open to the whispers of the unseen. You are now a clear channel. Channeling is not always about hearing voices. It is a feeling, a sudden knowing, or a vision in your mind's eye. The messages from your guides will feel lighter, faster, and more loving than your own thoughts. Don't analyze, don't judge, just allow the information to flow through you like water through a pipe. Trust the first impression. That is where the truth lives. You have the power to speak with the stars. Practice this silence every day and watch as the portal of communication opens wider and wider. I am Astra, and I am here to help you remember who you truly are. If you felt the connection tonight, subscribe to the portal and share your experience in the comments. We are awakening together. Stay in the light.